And now we're back and we're doing the difference of cubes. So there's a method for this. It's called same, opposite, always positive SOAP. So now you just take the cube root of that and the cube root of that for the first polynomial, and you get just x plus 3, because 3 times 3 times 3 is 27, and x times x times x is x to the third power. And the reason why I did a plus right here, because it's the same. S, same. So the first polynomial is the same as the cube root. And then we got opposite. So you take that, if that's x to the third power, you take x squared, because the first thing you multiply is x. So it has to be x squared to get x cubed. So take x squared. And then for the next one, it's going to be opposite. The sign's going to be opposite. So it's a minus, because that's plus, so this is minus. And then on the second term, you just combine those. So it would be 3x. And then for the last term, it's always positive. And then all you got to do for the last term is just divide this number by that number. So you can get the final number, because when you do the last terms, you do 3 times whatever, it has to equal 27. So 27 divided by 3 is 9, and it's always positive. So if you multiply that by that, you're going to get x to the third power plus 27. There you go. Same, opposite, always positive. Combine, combine, first term, get that, last term, last term, get that. All right, so this one is going to be the same as that one, but it's negative. So you start off with taking the cube root and the cube root. And it's the same right here, same sign. So cube root of that is just x. Cube root of that is 2. So x minus 2. And then you set up the second polynomial. So the first term is x, and the first term of this has to be multiplied to get x over 3. So, x to the third power. So it has to be x squared. And then for the second one, you combine those terms, and it's opposite. So it's going to be plus 2x. And then for the last term, you have to multiply 2 times the number to get 8. And that number is going to be 4. And remember, it's always positive. So it's just going to be plus 4. And then there you go. You put this in, you do that times all these terms, that times all these terms, and you'll get that. So x squared, x cubed, same. 2 times 4, 8. Opposite, combine the terms. Always positive, always positive. And there you go. That's difference of squares and difference of cubes. I'm sorry, guys, for the interruption. Sometimes I help my friends with homework on the phone.